Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I hope you all are fine. Children, today I am making this video for you, especially completing the work. Okay? Children, ये जो मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ इसलिए बना रही हूँ ताकि ये आप लोग अपने जो प्रीवियस वर्क है जो आपको कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ तो वो आप कंप्लीट कर लीजिए. तो चिल्ड्रन इस वीडियो में आपका जो भी काम है फर्स्ट डे से और आज 25 अगस्त तक कंप्लीट आपको सेंड कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो चिल्ड्रन टेक आउट योर कॉपी of cultural study and match the work with my copy. This is the title page of first term. And this is the syllabus of first term. This is a title page of first kalma, translation of first kalma. ठीक है. This is a translation of first kalma. And make a title page of second kalma. This is a translation of second kalma. And make a title page. Allah is the creator. Question answer of this chapter. Allah is the creator. Question 1, question 2 and question 3. Only 3 question answer of this chapter and then fill in the blanks. Now another heading of a new chapter, Islamic months. And these are the question answer of Islamic months. Question 1, question 2, question 3, and now turn the page. Question 4, question 5, question 6, and question number 7. Total, and this is a question answer of this is a question number 8. Okay, so total 7 question answer of this chapter Islamic month. Total 7 question answer है Islamic months के जो हमने इस कॉपी में किए हैं. And now another page, another title page of a new chapter, our body. Question answer of chapter our body. Question 1, 2 and 3. Question 3, 4 and 5. And this is a question number 6. So total 6 question answer of this chapter our body. Make another page, title page of a new chapter, animals. These are the question answer. Question 1, question 2, and question number 3. Question number 4. And this is a worksheet worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2. Okay. So चिल्ड्रन, आज मैंने आपको जो वीडियो सेंड की है उसमें फर्स्ट डे से लेकर आज 25 अगस्त तक का कंप्लीट वर्क इंक्लूड है. आई होप चिल्ड्रन आप अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करोगे. ओके. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल and give like and comments so you don't miss any of your video class. Okay children, Allah Hafiz.